Lecture number 4. The beautiful red ruby you can see na from the glass paintings. अगर आप जाते हो राजस्थान and all na, you can see a beautiful paintings over there. So it is because of the gold and the silver nanoparticles which are trapped inside the glass matrix. It is because of nanochemistry. The decorative gloss or the metallic film which is known as the luster, which is found in the pottery, it is also because of the nanoparticles. The carbon black, see, these are all the applications which they have given in the text. You can just go through this and then it would be easier. Actually ये simple, ये difficult नहीं है, and they have given you the applications. Even the applications may be expected in the exam. Where is it used? Nanoparticles, they contribute to stronger, lighter, cleaner and the smarter surfaces of the systems. It's also used in the manufacturing of the scratch-proof eyeglass, transport, sunscreen, crack, resistant paints and so on. Where it is also used in the electronic devices, for example, it is magno-resistive random access memory. Then it also plays an important role in the water purification techniques. Water purification techniques may the water contains lot of virus bacteria you can say, and then the people, many of the people now without they drink the impure water, okay, and the provision of the safe drinking water is currently it's a very high priority. So recently the cost effective filter materials coated with the silver nanometers, it's an alternative technology. Water purifier में the silver nanoparticles, they act as a highly effective bacterial disinfectant for the E. coli, that is the bacteria which is present from the water. It can be removed from it. Self cleaning materials, the lotus is an example of a self cleaning. Lotus plant जो होता है, although it grows in the muddy water, it always appears clean, and the plant leaves are super hydrophobic. The nanostructures on the lotus leaves they repel the water and which carries dirt. As a result, it is itself appears to be cleaning windows. Okay, the next and last part of the lesson, because of what are the advantages and the disadvantages of it. You find the advantages in the revolution in the electronics and computing, the energy sector and the medical field. It is manufacturing of the smart drugs help cure faster without the side effects and the curing of life because of the threatening diseases like cancer and diabetes. And what are the disadvantages of this? Nanoparticles, they can cause the lung damage. Inhaled particulated matter can be disposed. It can be deposited in the human respiratory tract. It may be deposited on the lungs, so it is dangerous. Then it is also very harmful for the health effects such as the chemical composition. उसका शेप जो होता है एयर पोल्यूशन होगा इसके वजह से. It gives increase to the pollution which includes the air pollution, and the pollution caused by nanotechnology is called as a nano pollution, which is very dangerous. So these are some of the disadvantages for the same. अभी इसमें से the questions which may be expected, as I said, just go through the exercise questions which are there below the lesson and the full forms, and this all, it is a lesson having a less weightage of 3 marks can be expected in the exam. So all about the lesson, and wish you all the best for your exam.